Let's now talk about Gujarat as well. It's not a very different story there in neighboring Gujarat, where 55% of the oxygen plants promised by the state are not operational. Gujarat was promised to have 350 oxygen plants up and running by 15th of August. But there as well, as of today, 157 plants are operational. After missing the deadline, the Rupani government has set another deadline of 15 September in Gujarat as well. It's noteworthy. The state of Gujarat suffered oxygen shortage during the peak of the second wave. So Disha, there in Gujarat as well, the same story, which means that there are some real constraints which the government has not been able to sort out in order to meet this deadline. What exactly is the justification given by the Gujarat government for this?
Well, that is right, Afrida. After Maharashtra, Gujarat was also the second most hit state as far as the high number of COVID-19 cases is concerned, specifically during second COVID wave. And at the peak, the oxygen demand went up to almost 1,500 metric tons, and Gujarat had a capacity to manufacture only about 1,100 metric tons. So at that point in time also we saw the situation in Gujarat, and specifically in urban cities like Ahmedabad and Surat, where ambulances were waiting outside. Many patients who needed oxygen were denied admissions because of the oxygen shortage. So at that point in time as well, the Vijay Rupani government had assured that there will be about 350 PSA plants, again oxygen plants, set up by August 15. But that deadline has been missed. In fact, when we spoke to the authorities in concern, they told us that only about 45% of the plants have become operational, which essentially means 55% of plants have not yet become operational across the districts of Gujarat. And that is another concerning picture, because Maharashtra as well as Gujarat, both the states have been worst hit. Both the states have faced massive oxygen crisis, and in fact Gujarat also at some point in time had to borrow oxygen from other states. So that was the situation at that point in time. And now, of course, the government has set again another deadline of September. So we all have to see that how both of these states really cope up to fulfill their promises, at least this time around.